It was a sunny Saturday morning. Alina woke up at 7 a.m. The birds were singing outside her window. She stretched her arms and thought, today is going to be a good day. Alina lived in a small apartment in the city. She was 25 years old and worked at a bakery. Her days were usually the same: wake up, go to work, come home, and sleep. But today was special. Today, she was going to visit her favorite singer's concert for the first time. I need to prepare everything. I don't want to be late, she thought. She jumped out of bed, brushed her teeth, and made breakfast. Her favorite breakfast was toast with butter and honey. She sat by the window, eating her toast and smiling. After breakfast, Alina checked her concert ticket. The concert started at 6 p.m., but the venue was far away. She needed to take 2 buses to get there. She thought, I will leave at 4 p.m. That will give me enough time. She packed her bag with everything she needed: the concert ticket, a small water bottle, her phone, and headphones. But suddenly, she noticed something strange. She thought, where is my wallet? She looked everywhere, on the table, under the bed, in her bag. It was gone. She started to panic. Without her wallet, she couldn't pay for the bus. Elena called her best friend, Sophia. She said, Sophia, I can't find my wallet. Can you help me? Sophia answered, don't worry, I will come to your apartment. 15 minutes later, Sophia arrived. She was always ready to help Elena. Together, they looked for the wallet. Finally, Sophia found it under the couch. She exclaimed, here it is. Elena said, thank you, Sophia, you saved me. Elena hugged Sophia and smiled. Now she could go to the concert. At 4 p.m., Elena left her apartment. She wore her favorite blue dress and comfortable shoes. She felt excited. The first bus was crowded, but Elena found a seat by the window. She put on her headphones and listened to her favorite song. She looked outside and thought about the concert. She thought, I can't believe I will see my favorite singer live. After 30 minutes, she got off the first bus and waited for the second one. The sun was shining and the air felt warm. Everything was perfect. When Elena arrived at the concert venue, she saw hundreds of people. Some were laughing, others were taking pictures. Everyone looked excited. She walked to the entrance and showed her ticket. The security guard smiled and said, enjoy the concert. Inside, the venue was huge. The stage was big, with colorful lights and speakers everywhere. Elena found her seat. She was in the middle row, close to the stage. She thought, this is amazing! I can't wait for the concert to start. While waiting, Elena noticed a girl sitting next to her. The girl smiled and said, hi, my name is Clara. Is this your first concert? Elena answered, hi, Clara. Yes, it's my first concert. I'm very excited. Me too. I love this singer. She is my favorite, said Clara. Elena and Clara started talking. They shared stories about their favorite songs and concerts. Elena felt happy to meet someone with the same interests. Let's take a selfie together, said Clara. They took a picture and laughed. At 6 p.m., the lights went off and the crowd cheered loudly. The stage lit up with bright colors and the music started. Elena's favorite singer walked onto the stage. She was wearing a beautiful red dress and holding a microphone. The crowd screamed, "We love you!" The singer smiled and said, "Good evening, everyone. Are you ready to have fun?" The first song started, and Elena couldn't stop smiling. She sang along to every word. The energy in the room was incredible. During the concert, the singer asked, "Who wants to come on stage?" The crowd went wild, waving their hands. To Elena's surprise, the singer pointed at her. "You, in the blue dress, come on stage," said the singer. Elena's heart raced. She walked to the stage, feeling nervous but excited. The singer gave her a hug and said, "Let's sing together." Elena held the microphone and sang a few lines of her favorite song. The crowd clapped and cheered. It was the happiest moment of her life. After 2 hours, the concert ended. The singer thanked everyone and said, "Good night, see you next time." The crowd cheered one last time. Elena felt a little sad that the concert was over, but she was also very happy. Clara hugged her and said, "This was amazing! Let's go to the next concert together." "Yes, I would love that," she answered. Elena took the bus home, feeling tired but happy. She looked at the pictures on her phone and smiled. When she got home, she called Sophia. "Sophia, the concert was incredible! I even went on stage," said Elena. "Wow, that's amazing, Elena! I'm so happy for you," said Sophia happily. Before going to bed, Elena wrote in her journal, "Today was the best day of my life. I will never forget it." The next day, Elena shared her story with everyone at work. Her colleagues were amazed. "You went on stage? That's unbelievable! You are so lucky, Elena," her colleagues said to her. Elena felt proud. She realized that this day was not only special because of the concert, but also because she met a new friend, faced challenges, and created memories she would cherish forever.